Hey guys, so vlog number 2. So today we're walking around to my sister's house, which is actually a couple of rows down from my parents, so it's pretty easy to get to. She has a Bengal cat, and at the moment she's an air stewardess for British Airways. She's away on a week trip, so I'm just going around to feed it lunch, and I thought, why not vlog it, so you get an idea what Bengal cat is. I believe it's half wild, that's what I've been described it to as. I think it's around 6 months old, so it's still very much a kitten. But yeah, take a look, and it should be quite interesting. One other thing to note is I'm recording all this on my Canon G7X, which is meant to be one of the best vlogging cameras. I'm new to the game, so yesterday I used my iPhone 7, and I did the complete vlog on my dog, the Yorkshire Terrier, on that camera. Today I'm gonna do the complete vlog on a G7X, just to give you an idea of what you know, what the cameras are like. Obviously it's different lighting, so it's not a completely fair test, but it gives you a rough idea of what it looks like. So bear with me. I might actually do a review on both cameras because I took ages investing my time into looking for the best camera, so stay tuned for that. Hello. Hello. How you doing? Yeah? You hungry? Ready to have some fun? And some food? Not in a weird way. Keep that. Hello. You're an unusual cat, aren't you? So this is Storm. Just doing his own thing. Storm. Oh yeah? Okay, it looks like he's on a raw cat food diet. Sounds like he's a vegan cat. I'm guessing this is meat. So, here we go. He's feeding the cat. Come on, Storm. No. Wait, I need to get out. Je veux que tu saches. It's got like half leopard. Storm. Looks like a tiger. Oh yes, you finally focused. Okay, quick update. I'm currently on the floor because it's so hard to try and record him because he moves so quickly. But yeah, pretty cool cat. Look, he's just currently approaching and sneaking up on me. I think he loves attacking my feet, which is a bit of an issue. I'm wearing 2 bright socks for this beast. Feeling a bit of an Attenborough here. Look, maybe get a bit of an interview. Here we are with the cat. Storm, the Bengal. I feel like he could go for my face any second now. So there we go, there's the Bengal cat. It was pretty cool, it's pretty wild. I guess any kitten is really, but yeah, it's really good fun to play with. Yeah, just walking back now. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and hit subscribe, that'd be amazing, and who knows what animals I'll vlog in the future.